Hi coders, welcome to my channel Java Hello World. So today we will discuss about the practical implementation of the functional interface and the streams and all the Javite new features. Okay, so let's start with the functional interface. Let so I will show you to how to write the code in the for the functional interface. So I have created one. Uh, example with name as functional interface examples. Okay, and here this is the main method. So here you can see this is the main method, and here I have created one vehicle interface as I mentioned in my previous video. For the functional interface, we have to create a interface which has one abstract method, and here you can see there is only one abstract method, and there is the concrete method but with the keyword as default and static. So this we can say this is a functional interface. So um, right now if I will add here one more method, suppose string body color. Okay, so it will allow. So here it is not allowing us to do that because we have already created a lambda expression here. Okay, so suppose if I will uh, comment it out, and then we can see here string body color. Okay, so here body color is already there. We can say uh, we can say speed. Okay, and yeah, so speed. Okay, now as because we didn't define the this is a functional interface, that's why this coming the it's not coming any error. But suppose in the meantime if we will define this as a functional interface with the annotation which I have said you earlier, that functional interface. Now friends, you can see there is the error because functional interface says there is only one abstract method but we are giving more than one abstract method. So here multiple non overriding abstract methods found uh, in interface vehicle. So as we have given the functional interface, so it will violate the rule. So we have to just delete it. Okay, and here we have to uncomment it. Like this I have created. This is the interface vehicle, and this is the reference I have given, and here I have given this uh, bracket braces, and here I am returning this ABC because this is something returning a string. Okay, so we are returning a string. Okay, so you will see that why you I have given this double semicolon. So friends, first of all, this you can see like this. So this is for one statement, and this is for the whole lambda expression. Okay, now uh, now also as I've said you that we can write it in the single line. So suppose I am creating this as a void, and if I will means if we are giving the return type we can't do that. We have to give the braces, but here you can see we have to give the braces. Cannot return a value from the method with void result type. So we have to give the braces here, then only it will accept. Otherwise, if we are writing a void here, okay, and here we were returning system dot println engine. So we can write this engine dot uh, yeah, engine dot engine type. Okay, here we will write engine type is xyz. xyz. So here you can see we will get one output which is a just running. Just wait for its run. So we will get the output which is engine type is xyz. So let me run it. Yeah, so here you can see engine type is xyz. Okay, so like that we can do this. Okay, and and so this is the example for the functional interface. Okay, please let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. I will try to clear those things. So this is about the functional interface. Now we will go for the stream API. So I have created one project for the stream API as well. Okay, so I have already explained you regarding the functional interface and the lambda expression, right? So this is nothing but the lambda expression. Okay, this is nothing but the lambda expression here. So okay, friend, we will discuss about this stream API now. So I have created some of the questions for you. Let me show that to you. Let me uncomment it. So here suppose I want to find the maximum number, maximum max number. So for that purpose, what I can do is, suppose this is a list, no, list of integers. So here I am passing as array as a list. This is the numbers, and now I am returning it. I am printing it. So li dot stream dot reduce. Reduce is one functional interface I told you that where means it's a part of functional interface where we can find the max mean like that. So if I will write this max, we will we will get this as a uh, optional. So suppose if I writing this reduce, let me write it. So here you can see reduce is the optional. Okay, so here I am giving the method reference, friends. So just see, this is the example of method reference, integer max. So I will go to this integer class. So here you can see the to string. octal string to string get cares max something there will be max. So there is one method, friend, which is the nothing but the max. So here you can see. Okay, so this is the static method. So basically, method reference we can put in the static method, and means if there is the static method, we can directly put it. And suppose if there is the uh, class, so we if there is no static method, then we have to create a so if there is the class, so we have to create the reference of that class. Okay, but make sure that we are only putting that method reference in the static method. So max, it is returning this. Okay, and let me go to this. So here, as I have said that it is giving the optional, so here it will be get. From get we can find that value. Okay, and here the braces. So let me comment this out for all for some time. Okay, now if I will run it, friends, you can see we will get the output, the required output, the expected output, which is of max. So this will be 10. Here you can see we will get 10. Okay, and similarly, if we want to find the mean, we can just give mean instead of max in this same. So this method reference makes very easy way. Okay, so -1 is the mean. So we have got -1, right? So like this, we are getting the value. And also you can do one thing. You can also store this in the integer, because this is nothing but the integer. We just do that, and we can print it. Yeah. Okay, so here you can see -1. Okay, so here let me write it. Minimum number on the array is a. Okay, so here we get minimum number from the array is -1. Okay, so similar way you can try to do some hands-on on this. Uh, just go to this reduce or go to this integer. Just try to find the sum, max, mean. We can also find the sum, friends. You can also find the average. Like this, you can do. So this is the sum is 19. Like if we will add this total, then we will get 19. So we can write sum of the array is like this. We can get, right. Okay, now here comes the second question. So the second question says find the duplicate values. we know how to find the distinct value. Let me also uh, do for the distinct values. Okay, so suppose this is the array. Okay, let me write it. Find the distinct values. Values distinct. Okay, and I am writing it as distinct. 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 Okay, I am writing it as list. Okay, here I am giving as list. Now list dot stream dot, here it gives the method which is distinct, so we can directly write this, and we can collect it in the list. Collect just dot to list, and list integer will also give the integer, friends, integer, and here it will be the duplicates, the distinct. Okay, now here we have to find the distinct. So distinct list is like this we will get. Okay, so here you can see, so the distinct value will be 21345. 21345. Okay, so this is how, that much simple, friends. Now suppose if we want to print the duplicates in the from the list, so how can we do that? So let me show you with an example. So here list 1 I have given, so here I am given 1. So here this is the list, and first of all we have to create the set object. And here what happens is, here we are filtering with, this is the variable I have given for the set. So as dot add I, so I am giving as a for each of the numbers here. So suppose 2 2 will be adding into the list. Okay, then again 2, so 2 will not add in the list, because we know that as per the set condition we only, means in the set only the distinct value will be added, not the duplicate value. So that's why I have given this as negation of that, like the values which are not adding into the list, into the set, so that value only we want, right? As per the logic, what is the duplicates? So duplicates is nothing but which is not adding in the set, because we know that say in set only distinct value will be there. So that's why I've given the condition and putting into the list, and uh, printing from here. Okay, so let me print it. So duplicate list, duplicates. Okay, now we can see that we will get 2 comma 1. So here you can see duplicate list is 2 comma 1. And friends, also we can do one more thing here. uh, so we have the list, we have the duplicates. So what we can do, we just have to think. So if we want to print the duplicate, so suppose if we will convert into the map, and map is having the key value, so value, like we'll get the frequency, means we can also do that, the frequency we can find out, like for each number. So two frequencies, two, one frequency is one, three frequencies one, four frequencies one, and five frequencies one. So we will get it in the key value pair also. So this is one more feature in the stream. So I will tell you about that. So I'm just make you think in a larger perspective. Like the suppose the value which is greater than 1, so we can say that it's a duplicate. So first of all we will filter with the value which is greater than 1, and then those values, for those values we will get the key, and then we will find that key, that yeah 1 2 will be there. So that frequency of map I will tell you. Okay. So for that, what we have to do, we have to just give the uh, function dot identity, but I will tell you that later on. Means firstly I am telling you for the some of the features. So suppose if, so this is about something about the uh, list. Okay. So as dot add. Okay, so if I want to print the non-repeating, so non-repeating is also I will tell you later on. Okay. Now one more thing, friends. Suppose if I want to print all the things here, so we can get it. What we have to do here, 1 to 10. Suppose 1 to 10 is the, suppose 1 to 10 is the list of numbers. Okay. So I want the everything like mean, max, sum, average, all things. So this is one class, we can say this int summary statistics. So from there we can put it in this class, and also there is one method collectors dot summarizing int. So here the method reference will be integer int value. So here you can see I will get all the summary reports for this, like having the sum, max, mean, like that. So here you can see count, sum, mean, max, average. So these five things we will get here in this int summary statistics. So suppose if you want to print the count, then you can directly write summary dot count, get count. Okay. If you want to print uh, summary dot get sum, you can do that. If you want to print summary dot get max, you can do that. If you want to print summary dot get mean, you can do that. So if I will run this, so here you can find it. First is the count, which is nothing but 10. Let me write it. Count of the numbers. Okay. This is, this is the sum, the numbers. This is the max from the numbers. Okay. This is the mean from the numbers. Okay. And this is the average. Average from the numbers. So here you can see uh, count of the numbers, sum of the numbers, max from the numbers, mean from the numbers, average from the numbers. So like that you will get. Okay. And also one thing, suppose if we want to print the uh, if we want to print the last element from the array, so we can also do that. Okay.